Hey, it's Marco, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to add reviews to your Shopify store. Before I begin with the video, I have a Shopify link where you can get it 3 days completely for free, and then you pay only $1 the next month and not $37. So let's begin. What you want to do is you want to go to apps.shopify.com, and once you are here, just type in review and you will see a lot of different review apps. The one that I recommend is Lux and Judge.me. Personally, Lux is the best. They work amazingly. You can even send out emails to get more reviews. The only downside is, I guess, that they don't have a free trial, as in $0 per month, but you can do some limited things. But they do offer like a 14-day free trial where you can basically see, is it for you? You just have to click install, follow the on-screen instructions, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and click the link in the description to get Shopify for only $1.